Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your affiliate email list in Mailchimp step by step clearly. Open Mailchimp and log into your account. Navigate to the Audience tab in the top menu. Select the audience you want to back up. Click on Manage Audience, located in the drop-down menu. Choose View Audience Fields and Merge Tags. To export your email list, go to the Manage Contacts section. Click on Export Audience. Wait for Mailchimp to process your request. You will receive an email with a link to download your file. Check your email and open the download link. Download the file, which will be in CSV format. Open the downloaded CSV file in a spreadsheet application like Excel or Google Sheets. Verify that all your contacts and their details have been exported correctly. If needed, save the file in a secure location on your computer. For additional safety, consider uploading the file to a cloud storage service. Ensure you have backups in multiple places to safeguard your data. Regularly repeat this process to keep your backup updated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.